As our world's cities continue to grow and their populations increase, there is a growing demand to keep up, to build faster, better, more sustainable. But buildings also account for nearly 40% of global CO2 emissions. Of that, nearly 28% comes from building operations, which means that the time for more optimized and energy-efficient buildings is now. Prefabricated solutions can help. Prefabricated offerings provide the combined benefits of consistent quality with flexibility in design and faster construction times, and in turn, better buildings. Grundfos MIXIT is a first-of-its-kind, ready-to-use solution that supports and optimizes multiple applications within heating and cooling for buildings by simplifying mixing loops with a two-component solution. Grundfos MIXIT effectively replaces 8 to 12 components in a typical mixing loop and reduces installation and commissioning time by up to 50%. Designed for multiple heating and cooling applications, it can be easily integrated into both non-pressurized three-way applications and pressurized two-way applications. MIXIT also offers direct monitoring and management via Building Connect or convenient remote monitoring and management with the Grundfos Go Remote app. And as a trusted partner, Grundfos provides the hands-on support needed to ensure each installation goes smoothly from start to finish. Optimized and energy-efficient buildings will play a major role in reducing global emissions and combating climate change. Grundfos MIXIT provides a simple, all-in-one solution that's ready to help now. Optimized building operations with Grundfos MIXIT.